If I was ever going to write a book, it would almost be called The Accidental Agency. It was necessity, really. I moved from London to Madrid about 5 years ago. And when I made that move, I knew I wasn't going to be copywriting in Spanish. That if that ever happens, that's, many, many years away. And so my plan was to freelance for agencies and folks back in London who were happy working with somebody remotely. Now, pre-pandemic, that was actually quite a tough sell. You'll know if you ever spoke to an agency back sort of before the world was turned upside down, they'd always say, no, you have to be on site. It was quite rare that they would let you work remotely. And so we built up a few that were happy working with us remotely. And then basically what happened was I got busier. That was it. And just at that point, I thought, okay, I've got two choices. I just give work away, which, as you know, when you're freelancing is sort of, not something you want to do. So I thought I can give work away. I can take a finder's fee. I thought that feels a bit mercenary. And I thought, okay, well, maybe we just set up our own agency. I thought about being a full service agency, but the reality was I didn't feel like I knew enough about design and all those other disciplines to hire the right kinds of people. So I thought, okay, well, I know about writing. I know about finding copywriters. So why don't I just start there? Again, sometimes you find your way to things by accident. It was never the intent to start our own agency, but actually it's worked out really well. And we've got a really lovely team, some really nice writers, and we've managed to find some really nice clients. And it's kind of working. It's still terrifying on a daily basis, but it's kind of coming together in some sense or another.